Hi, today let's make simple and easy Mangalore style dry fish curry. Now in a blender, very simple ingredients goes in. Here I've added in some onions, then goes in some garlic cloves. The main thing is just blending all the ingredients for the curry. Next I'm adding in some turmeric, turmeric powder, then in some cumin seeds, and I'm adding in some coriander seeds, peppercorns, then goes in some methi seeds. And then I'm adding in some tamarind. This is for the tanginess, and then short red chilies for the spiciness, and badge chilies. Next goes in some grated coconut. Once you add all this, add a little bit of water and blend it into a smooth paste. It doesn't need to be too thick, so we need it to be smooth paste. And once the paste is ready, just keep it aside. Now let's start making the curry. In a pot where you're making the curry, add in some water. Once the water is added, add in some chopped onions. Once the onions has been added, here comes the secret ingredient. If you don't have it, you can skip it. But if it's a mango season, please go ahead and add in some raw mangoes. Trust me, it takes the dry fish curry to another level itself. It gives an extra tanginess, beautiful flavor to the curry. Once the onions and the mango starts boiling in, add in some dry fish. You can choose the dry fish of your choice. Once you take the dry fish, it needs to be neatly cleaned and washed, and then add it to the curry. Now give all these ingredients a really good mix. Now the dry fish needs to get the flavor of the mangoes and the onions. Once it start boiling, I'm adding in the masala paste which I've grinded. Now see, you can see the gravy is thick, so give it a good mix, and then add in the water as per your consistency. If you don't make it too thin, so it needs to be medium consistency. Give it a good mix. The curry needs to boil very well. Check for the salt. Don't add salt initially because raw fish contains, or sorry, the dry fish contains salt, so that's the reason I've not added in salt. If you feel the salt is little less, you can adjust it as per your taste. Now that's it. Your simple and easy dry fish curry is ready to serve. Take in some boiled rice, add in the dry fish curry, and trust me, it tastes yummy. Don't forget to enjoy.